Okay, here we have the ProScrub PS-1800. It is in the shop just getting finished up for final testing and shipment. We put a shop light inside so we can have a look inside to kind of show you what's going on in there. We use a two-part epoxy inside to coat the tank, and then there's some overspray from the Durethane mastic as well. And the clean out, this is the clean out door. Here, I'll let Carl operate that clean out door so you can kind of see. That's just a couple of latches there, and there's just an angled piece to that plenum so that a tool can be used to pull, the larger pieces of sludge out and into a receiving bucket. And obviously this is the inlet here. This is where the dirty air is headed in. And these are drain connections. We ship them capped, overflow and regular drain. And then here's the standard starter. There's your 5-horse motor, and exhaust is up top. But regarding maintenance and cleaning, this is just a water level control box, and this we just use a float type water level control. It's just a simple float valve, and this just needs to be observed. Just needs to be inspected on occasion, because you can get buildup on the sides of this tank in this area, and it just involves a simple wipe down. And obviously the machine needs to be occasionally drained, but not as often as it does need to be inspected for buildup in certain areas. And most specifically, these areas are on the mist eliminator pack and on the fan. So the mist eliminator pack, or the fan, is accessed right here at the top. This is the fan access door. And these are pin hinged, so you can see they come right off. The doors come right off. And this is a polyamide wheel. Yeah, thanks for the light. Yep. And it's a very smooth, very quiet wheel. But these blades do need to be inspected periodically for any potential buildup, because over time there will be some buildup on those blades, and when we're dealing with combustible material, we need to make sure that those are clear so they don't create any vibration. This is the final stage mist eliminator door. Again, pin hinged, comes right off, and this mist eliminator pack is it's about 60 pounds maybe total. It's a multi-pass, multi-blade impingement style mist eliminator. And here, we have actually some buildup right here just because these have been in stock. But this is the kind of thing what you would do is inspect these, hold them out, spray them off perhaps. This thing just comes right out, completely out, and just needs to be sprayed off, wiped down. That's all. Periodic inspection. Everybody's loading is a little different, so the frequency is a little different for everyone. Those are the main areas of inspection. Down here you can see some of the scrub componentry. There's the scrub cone and the target plate. That's where we're getting the majority of our actual scrub action. And this is just a Lexan window, a sealed Lexan window. It gives you an additional point of access to the machine, but it's not really intended to be the primary point of access. It's just an additional access if ever needed. We stand the machine up slightly so that it can be moved easily with a forklift. And so that's pretty much it. I mean, as far as maintenance is concerned and inspection is concerned, that's pretty much it. This is the door to the water level control box. They just go on posts with some washers, and then these plastic latches. That's pretty much it. There's not a lot to that, to the ProScrub. It does a heck of a job. It has a very, very small footprint. It's very easy to maintain. And like I say, the thing about the ProScrub is it doesn't need to be completely cleaned out. You don't have to completely remove every speck of sludge from the bottom of the machine, but you just want to prevent any kind of sludge, major sludge setup or buildup. And that's pretty much it. It's an easy machine to maintain and use.